On this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase a campaign and activate a campaign so you can start earning every day just by clicking ads with ClickBaitPays. Okay, inside your back office, I remember to you that the registration is free. You can click on buy campaigns. There are different campaigns on different levels. The maximum is level 7, which is $2,400, and the cheapest one is $13. So I'm going to show you exactly how you activate the cheapest one. This is just for a tutorial, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can send the deposit with the amount of the activation. I remember to you that activation each level you only pay once, okay? Each level you got 3 campaigns. So if I activate and I purchase this campaign, then I will never have to pay the activation link. So you click on activate earnings, you can see the first campaign, the activation costs just $1 $1, okay? And the other one is $7 until the latest one, which is $240. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on buy campaign level 1. As you can see, I haven't got any found inside my back office. I'm going to click on make deposit. So to make sure I only do just one deposit, I write right away $14 because I got the $13 and the $1 for the activation. This is now payment. You click, you choose in whatever crypto you want to send. I choose USDT in Binance Smart Chain. You click on next step. You see you got the exact address. This is a unique address, okay? And the exact amount. So I open my MetaMask. You can send it whatever crypto wallet you have. I'm going to choose USDT. And then I'm going to click on send. I copy the exact address. And then I copy the exact amount which is there. $13.97854, okay? So as I copy all the amount, the exact amount, then I click to continue, then I continue, and then I confirm my purchase, okay? Now this portal is called Now Payments. So in an instant, you will see that the transaction will start, okay? You see up there, you got the payment ID and the transaction ID. You can copy in case you don't see the found in 1 hour, but the founds usually they come in your back office in 1 minute, 2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. So you see the process is going on, okay? So you can copy just in case the payment ID. So you let it work and you don't shut down the window. You let it work and then it will come in your back office, okay? So you're going to see how you activate, okay? So the $14 are on my back office. It took 2 minutes. Sometimes it takes just 30 seconds, sometimes 2 minutes and a half, but no more than 5 minutes, okay? So what you do now, you can purchase your campaign, advertise your site, and then activate it. So we concentrate on the level 1, okay? Right now we are going to copy and paste the link. And remember, if you haven't got anything to advertise, you just go to ClickBank, which is free. You choose, one advertisement business, and you can put it there. Okay? You can get paid. You click on preview to make sure your site is okay, and then you click confirm purchase. You say, yes, I'm sure, and now the campaign is purchased, but I must activate. As you can see up there, there is a button, yes, activate now. Since I still have the $1 left, okay, I'm going to confirm my activation, okay? So as I confirm my activation, then it says start clicking. I'm gonna refresh the page, gonna back to home and then refresh the page. And then back to home, okay? Then I go down, you see the orange one, you click on ads, and then you got 3 ads that you have to see it. They have a countdown of 10 or 15 seconds, and you earn the exact amount every time you do the process. My link to subscribe and my connect are in the back.